Welcome to this guide on how to use Webull for paper trading. Webull is a popular online trading platform that offers a paper trading feature, allowing users to practice trading with virtual money. To get started, first download and install the Webull app on your device. Once installed, open the app and create an account if you don't already have one. After logging in, tap on the menu icon and select Paper Trading. You will then be given a virtual account with a set amount of money, usually $100,000. This virtual account can be used to practice trading with real-time market data, but without risking any real money. To place a trade, tap on the Trade button and select the stock or other asset you want to trade. Then choose the type of order you want to place, such as a market order or limit order. Enter the number of shares you want to buy or sell, and confirm the trade. Your virtual account will be updated in real time to reflect the trade. You can monitor your portfolio and track your gains and losses. It is essential to use paper trading to test your trading strategies and to get familiar with the platform. You can try out different types of orders and see how they perform in different market conditions. Additionally, paper trading allows you to learn how to manage risk and to develop a trading plan. By using Webull for paper trading, you can gain valuable experience and improve your trading skills without risking any real money. To get the most out of paper trading, set realistic goals and track your progress. Use the virtual account to simulate real-world trading scenarios and to test your ability to make trading decisions under pressure. By following these steps and using Webull for paper trading, you can take your trading skills to the next level and become a more confident and successful trader. Remember to always keep learning and stay up to date with market news and trends to stay ahead in the trading game.